Hello guys, welcome to Dan's IT Network channel. On my previous video is we failed to ping from this PC to this PC, okay, because the static route or a default route is not yet configured on this router, okay. It's because this router, it only knows about this network and this network, and it doesn't know about this network because it's not connected on the interface. And also on this router, it knows about this network. It knows about this network, but it doesn't know about this network because it's not connected on its interface. So we're gonna use first the static route, okay, for us to introduce this network to this router. So let's open the this router and then go to CLI. Then just click the cursor in here using the mouse. Then hit enter. Okay. Then type enable to go to the privilege mode, and then type CompT to go to the global config mode. Okay, and then we need to assign now the static route. So to assign the static route, the command is IP space route. Okay, since I am on this router one. Okay, so we need to add this network. Okay, which is the this network. Okay, just this one. This is the network IP address 192.168.2.0. Okay, we need to add that. So I'm gonna type now the network is 192.168.2.0. Okay, and then the subnet mask of this network IP address is 255.255.255.0. And let me spread this up. Okay, and now we need to assign the next interface, the next hop, okay, which is this one. The next hop would be this the IP address on this serial port is 10.0.0.2. Okay. Next hop means to the next router. In order for this router to reach this network, it needs to go to the next hop to the next router. Okay. I can type the 10.0.0.2 in here. Okay. Space 10.0.0.2. Okay, or I can just type serial 0/1/0. Why? Okay, here. Just gonna type the serial 0/1/0 to go out on this interface. In order for this router to reach this network, it needs to go out on this interface. Anyway, the packets will still gonna go to the next router. It's just the same. So whatever you want though, you can use the next router IP address, or you can just use the serial interface of this router to go out on this interface. Okay, so on this tutorial, we'll be using the next hop, which is the this IP address. Okay, so oh, let's hit enter again. Okay, all right, all right. Since I was able to hit enter, okay, I'm just gonna put um, let me spread this. Okay. So since I already hit the enter and it execute the commands, so I'm gonna type no on this, okay, no, and space to delete the configuration, okay, and then I'm gonna use the up arrow key on the keyboard. I'm gonna remove the no command, okay, and I will delete this 0/1/0. I'll make it 10.0.0.2, which is this IP address, okay, on the next hop, which is this one, and then hit enter, okay, and then let's save the configuration by typing do space wr, and let's close this one, and let's do the same on the next router, okay. Let's open the next router. Let me spread this. Go to CLI and then hit enter. Type enable to go to the privilege mode. type CommT to go to the global config mode. Okay, and then in the global config, we need to type this IP space route. Okay, and then since we are on this router, okay, we need to know about this network, right? So the network on this is this one. This is the network IP address, the 192.168.1.0. Okay, so let's type that 192.168.1.0, and from the mask 255.255.255.0. Okay, then hit enter. I'm sorry, the command is incomplete, right? So as you see, I got an error message. So meaning that the command did not execute, okay, because it has an error. It's incomplete. So I'm gonna hit the arrow again on the keyboard, and then I hit the space. I forgot to input the next hop, okay, which is next hop should be on this IP address to go to this um, 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 IP address on this interface, okay. So since this router knows about this network and it knows about this network, okay, so in order for this router to know about this network, it needs to go on the next router, which is the next hop, okay, to know about this network. Or we can just tell the router to go out on its serial interface, which is 0/1/0. It's just the same thing, whatever you want. Okay, so in here, let's use the serial 0/1/0 to go out on its interface so that it can reach this network. Okay, let's do that. Let's type serial 0/1/0. Okay, and that's good. It says in here default route without gateway. If not point-to-point interface may impact performance. Okay, but here is it's a router to router connection. That is why we don't need a default gateway. Okay, well that is fine. And let's save the configuration again in here. Okay, I'm gonna type do space right to save the configuration. Then I'm gonna close this. So let's try now to ping from this PC to this PC. Okay, gonna open the command prompt and let's ping 192.168.2.2. Okay, is on this PC. The IP address on this PC is on the network too. Okay, and this is the IP address 192.168.2.2. Gonna hit enter and it should be working. There you go. All right. It got request timeout from the beginning because it's the first time to ping. It tried to register the MAC address. Okay, let, let us try to ping it again, and it's working. Okay, and now I'm gonna close this and let's open the router. Okay, and let's view the IP route. Okay, so I need to be in a global config mode. So I am on the already on the global config mode. I'm gonna I'm sorry. I need to go to the privilege mode because the show command is not available on the global config mode. So to exit on this global config mode, okay, I need to type exit. Okay, and now I am on the privilege mode. So I can type now the show space then IP space route. Okay, and oops, here, let me spread this up. Okay, so this is the routing table, okay, of this IP address. Okay, so as you see, um, it can see the 10.0.0 network, which is the network 3. Okay, it can see it, and also it can also see the 192.168.1.0, which is this network. Okay, and lastly, it can see the 192.168.2.0, which is here. Okay, why? It's because now is we set up a static, okay, static route, and this stands for static. Okay, so S for static. Okay, so since we're able to execute the static route, okay, the IP route, okay, it then now this router now recognize this network, okay, which is the 192.168.2.0. Okay, it's a slash 24 since it's a class C, and then via this is the meaning of this is next hop. Okay, so um, this router were able to recognize this network. Okay, it's because it goes on the next hop. Okay, the 10.0.0.2. That is why it's displayed here 10.0.0.2. Okay, and it's the same thing if you're gonna do it on the next router.